Innovation for waste minimization.
This is a Becca model S50M manual solvent spray gun cleaner. It is made in the USA. The features include a switch for selecting flow brush or power pistol, a switch for selecting either used or clean solvent, a foot pedal to activate the flow brush or power pistol, a flow brush with stiff bristles and adjustable fluid flow control, a power pistol with adjustable fluid flow control, an air regulator with water trap and shutoff valve, a Becca solvent-resistant power clean compressed air quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control, 2 optional 5-gallon solvent cleaning solution containers, 1 for used and 1 for clean solvent, laminated posters with spray gun cleaning instructions in English and Spanish. An optional filtration recycling system is available to extend the life of the solvent for reuse up to 8 times the normal life.
Innovation for waste minimization.